Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how to make an easy and beautiful miniature Zen garden. You can keep this in any corner of your home where you can sit and relax. Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Food and Lifestyle. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified on our new videos. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Ancient Japanese Buddhists used the Zen garden for meditation. A Zen garden is a dry miniature landscape that is artificially created with the use of small statues, water, essential oils, shells, pebbles, rocks, sand, plants, bushes, etc. Please refer the description box for details of the products used in this video. In a Zen garden, people can clear their minds, enhance discipline, focus, and concentration, and also improve creativity and problem solving skills. The Zen garden brings lot of positivity and optimism into our homes. Zen Garden provide many benefits. They help to improve physical, mental, spiritual health and wellness. They offer a place where people can escape from the stress of their busy lives so they can meditate and relax. Peace, harmony and beauty, these are the three fundamental elements of Japanese rock gardens. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can try making one for your home using your creativity, and don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section.